morning and welcome to another episode of Spoedpisang Fishing Adventures. You are here with me and Uncle Gary again. Once again, already with the line in the water. Hey, the old guy just can't wait to catch some fish. We already have the Spoedpisang in the water. We're gonna get on now and see what we can get. There's some Mozambique tilapia here and bass. So we'll see what we can get today. Okay, so let's head out and we'll see how the day goes. We'll move to our first spot and we'll see what's happening there, if we can catch something or not. And then, yeah, for anyone who's wondering, we are in the Northern Cape in a small town called Postmasburg. And we have two old mining quarries that filled up with water, and yeah, people filled it with some bass, and yeah, now we can have a lekker time there. And yeah, you can ask Uncle Gary. We definitely had some lekker times before we started the whole YouTube thing.
Yes, very much so.
So yeah, doing this on YouTube still new to us, but we'll get there. We'll make better videos and all that, but we'll get to it. We're just making use of what we got now to make the videos.
It is the sun's up high there now. It was cold this morning there.
Yeah, it was bloody cold
this morning.
And we did some fishing from the bank. I only caught one fish there, and I forgot to take a picture of that. Unfortunately, it wasn't on camera. Everything was actually still being set up, but yeah, we just couldn't wait to get some lines into the water.
But this dam is nearly as deep as the other dam where we were.
Yeah, I actually think it's a bit deeper than the other one. But still, very nice place to fish
Very
at.
nice.
And yeah, we have some cool footage that you'll see later on in the video.
But at this dam as well, there's more activity with the birds, and you'll see the ducks and all that
Yeah,
as well. Yeah.
man, one of those ducks gave me a huge fright. I don't know if I have to say it's unfortunate or fortunate that it wasn't on camera. Because yeah, that was something to see.
But it's also a more calming dam, this. It's not like the other one. The other one's more open as well.
Yeah, this one is nice and secluded. It's private. But unfortunately, we didn't have any luck with the tilapia, but we got some bass at least. That helped a lot.
At least caught something this time.
Yeah, that made it much better.
Yes. But it was also quiet, not as busy as it should be, but it's also winter. So,
yeah, still winter, still cold as hell there,
yes.
but at least there was activity. Maar ja, baie lekker plekkie om by te vang. En as enigiemand in die Noord-Kaap is en julle soek 'n plekkie om bass te vang en julle is in die omgewing van Bosmasburg, nee wat, julle kan net gesels en dan maak ons 'n plan, dan gaan ons bietjie uit.
En baie lekker plekkie hierdie.
Ja, en gelukkig hierdie een, sy waterlevels het gestyg, maar dit is glad nie so baie soos by die ander dams ingestyg het nie.
Net 'n storie om die boot te launch daar.
Ja, ons ou spot waar ons die boot gelaunch het, is onder water. Wel nie baie nie, maar die pad om daar uit te kom is ook toe. So ons moet nog plan maak om hom oop te kry, dan kan ons dalk net 'n ander gemakliker spot kry om die boot te launch, maar ag nee wat, ons het gemanage. En ja, hierso het ek so 'n bietjie onderwater footage gevat.
Maar ja,
Net om julle 'n idee te gee, die aktiwiteit, jy kan sien die bass swem, om min of meer 'n idee kry van hoe diep dit is, maar op kamera kan jy nie heeltemal so diep in die water in sien soos wat dit eintlik is nie.
maar dit is nog waar ons in die vlakkant pas, by die Rietemoes.
Ja, dis
Ja.
bietjie vlakker hierdie kant,
Ja,
maar nog steeds vrek diep.
diep. En as jy kyk hoe het ons hierdie bass gevang, niemand sal ons glo nie.
Ja,
Niemand sal ons glo nie.
ja, ons het bietjie uitsinkers ook uitgehardloop. So ons het weightless gegaan daar. Jy gooi maar in en jy los daai loer laat hy op sy tyd sink. Jy het nie eers nodig om hom te beweeg of iets nie, en dan dis wanneer die bass byt. Sodra jy bietjie beweging op jou loer sit, dan kan jy maar vergeet, hulle wil nie byt nie.
Dis ja, dis daai goed die bodem slaan dan buite hulle. Dis baie snaaks.
Ja, dit is ook maar deel met die koue.
Ja.
Die visse is nie so aktief nie. So lyk my hulle geniet dit as daai loer so stadig verbykom sak
Hy hoef nie te
hier in die
jaag.
water nie. Jy hoef nie haastig te wees na die loer toe nie.
Ja, nee. Kan sien is nog koud, ons het al twee ons baadjies nog aan.
Ja. Het was darm al warmer as die oggend toe ons daar aankom.
Maar ek het opgegooi want ek kon nie my vingers voel nie.
Ja, dit was te koud om enigiets te doen. Ons het so 'n bietjie probeer vir die kurpers ook hier, maar nee, ons het nie lak gehad nie. Jy gooi die aas tussen 'n skoolkurpers in
Ja.
en hulle wil nie byt nie.
En daar was 'n paar mooi karpers daar. In daai skool op die ander kant van die dam.
Ja,
Daar was mooies daar betussen.
ja, ek moet sê, is nogal redelike groot kurpers in hierdie dam.
Ja. Hierdie is 'n eenbaans met ons diep was nog.
Yes,
Ja.
dis hy.
Ja. Jy sien die bes maar hulle wil nie byt nie.
Ja. So ja, die beplanning is ook om in die toekoms, want die meeste van die damme waar ons gaan om bass te vang, is die water baie skoon en jy kan lekker sien onder die water. So die beplanning is om 'n kamera permanent onder die water te hê, dat ons baie meer aktiwiteit ook kan sien en vir julle baie beter footage gee oor wat aangaan onder die water terwyl ons hier van bo af probeer
Ja.
visvang.
Maar dit is nog net 'n maand. Ja, so 'n maand oor, dan begin dit warm raak. So,
Ja, dan begin dit lekker warm raak
dan
en
sal ons weer
dan behoort ons beter buite kry ook.
die dammetjie bly maar mooi hierdie ene.
Ja, dis baie mooi. Dis baie relaxing daar
Ja, baie.
om daar te sit. Lekker dag uit op die water. En dis baie rustig.
Ja, ene, baie rustig daar. Maar as ons net meer kon gevang het, maar ag, dit was genoeg.
Ja, dis beter gewees die vorige probeerslag. Ons
Baie
het
waar.
iets gevang. Ons het
Baie
iets
waar.
gevang. Maar ja, dit sal beter gaan in die toekoms. And then the planning for the next video, yeah, we are already busy with that. But then we are going to do a challenge.
Ja.
So I ordered 2 tackle boxes from Temu. And then Uncle Gary's going to take one, I'm going to take one. And we only use what's in the box. And then we'll see who catches the most fish. So they have different lures, different sinkers and hooks and all that. So yeah, we'll post that one as soon as possible. After that one is done. And then yeah, hopefully all goes well. But like I said in the first video, Uncle Gary always catches more fish than I do. So let's hope we can turn that one around.
At least we caught the same here at this one. So
Yeah, I'm catching up.
yeah, you're catching up. But this was a lovely day. It turned out to be a wonderful day. Even with that cold in the morning, it warmed up lovely.
Yeah, it was very, very cold in the morning. And then the sun came out nice.
Yeah.
Temperature started rising. And it was a lovely day.
See, it's warming up, baby. Jerseys are off.
Yeah. Luckily.
Yeah.
Yeah, and here we changed spots. So here, this dam, I think it's the deepest point of this dam. But it's a nice spot to sit at.
But it was quiet still as well, eh?
Yeah. It was still quite quiet. And there it is, fish on.
Fish on.
The first fish caught on camera for the channel. It was a small one, and we are hoping for much bigger ones in the future, but first fish for the channel.
At least it's something.
Yeah, at least. And then, yeah, for now, unfortunately, we have to do the voiceovers for the videos. My GoPro has the waterproof cover on, and I don't have another cover for it, so it doesn't pick up the sound as nice as it should. So yeah, we are doing this with the voiceovers, but hopefully soon that will change, and then you will hear all the fun that's going on that boat. And then yeah, we do a lot of joking around and stuff on the boat.
Yeah.
So hopefully then you'll have a good laugh in the videos as well. Yeah, so you'll see we are moving around quite a lot, but we also, because we can see into the water and what's going on, we look at the activity that's going on under the water, and we try and see where the fish are moving and so on. So we move to the spots, checking it out. If we don't see any fish around the boat or so, we just keep on moving.
It's the first time I went fishing, yeah.
Yeah, it was Uncle Gary's first time, yeah. But this dam is a bit nicer to fish than the other one, because you have a bigger variety of fish, because it's the bass,
Yeah.
tilapia, there's some koi fish in there.
Yeah, it's just a pity that tilapia didn't want to bite.
Yeah.
Yeah. And with the rods we threw from the side that we caught nothing on.
Yeah.
We tried for everything.
Yeah, we actually tried some koi fishing as well.
No.
Hey, but all in all, this was a good day.
It was a very nice day, actually.
Yeah, definitely.
At least we caught something this time.
Yeah.
But it's just the going out and enjoying yourself. It's fun.
Yeah, and that's the thing, especially wintertime, you won't catch something every time you go out. So yeah, we were lucky. It's just a pity we couldn't get everything on camera.
Yes.
Because the GoPro died on us as well. So
Yes.
I have to get me some extra batteries for that. And unfortunately, Uncle Gary only caught his fish after the GoPro died.
Yeah, no. Oh, but it always happens. But it doesn't matter, it was still fun.
Yeah, and luckily we took pictures. So
Yeah, so that's fine.
they are added at the end of the video.
But a very exciting day, this. Just to be on the water and fishing is, yeah.
Yeah, we do what we love, and we can make videos while we do what we love,
Yes.
and then we can share it with all of you guys.
That's where you were standing up as well. Am I right?
Yeah.
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 Well, the boat is stable, even when you stand, so.
Yeah, you feel comfortable standing up on it. It's not shaking or
That's where I hit the camera.
anything. Yeah. I don't think Uncle Gary always likes the camera.
No, not very much, no.
Because I think that was the third time for the day
That
he
I-
almost hit it off.
Oh, this is when we were there in those reeds right at the bottom, eh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I still can't believe with that place being so secluded and you go into the quarry,
Yeah.
how the wind still gets you
Yes.
and you float around on the water. One moment you're moving in one direction, the next moment you're moving in
In
another.
that direction. It was actually very fun because the wind wasn't blowing in the morning.
Yeah.
It was calm.
Yeah, but most of the time you still don't really feel the wind.
Yeah.
But you can see it's there by the movement of the boat. Yeah, and then again, guys, if you have any suggestions for us or any suggestions for challenges that you want us to do, you can just put it in the comments and we'll have a look at it, and then we'll see what we can do.
Yeah. Oh, that's when I changed my lure.
Yeah.
Yep. And you're still standing.
Ek was bietjie lam gesit.
Ja, nou ja. Ons was lank op die water weer.
Ek was lank op die water. Maar dit bly lekker.
Dit bly altyd lekker.
Ek moet nog net kussentjies laat maak vir die seats.
Die boude raak bietjie seer.
Okay, guys, so the GoPro died on us. We did catch some fish off camera. We only have some pictures. They were not big, were small ones, but I will post some pictures after the video. And then, yeah, once again, I used my lovely angle craft called Spoedpisang. And if any of you guys are interested in an angle craft, it's really a lovely boat. If you're interested, you can just contact Angle Crafts at anglecrafts.co.za, and I will also post Brett's number in the description of the video. Thank you all for watching.